What's up everyone? Today I want to show you an unboxing of this. As you can see, we will be talking about RAM today. So first of all, I want to say that this is not a new product at all. In fact, I already have 2 sticks of this RAM in my computer, running since a year or so. Look for example at my previous videos here. Nevertheless, this is a solid RAM made by Gskill. We are currently looking at 16 gigs of RAM, DDR4 of course, is a 3200 MHz version, and you should expect right up here. The model is Trident Z RGB, as you can see here, and the code, the model number is F4-3200C16D-16GTZR. So basically I leave the model and descriptions below in the link. And yeah, as we can see in the back, this is also compatible with the various RGB systems that you can find in gigabyte. So this is the RGB Fusion, MSI, and the most famous Aura Sync that you can find in ASUS motherboards. And as we can also see here, it supports Intel platforms, therefore we have an Intel XMP 2.0 profile that will automatically enable the best settings and timings in the BIOS. Specifically, timings for these versions are showing up here. So we are talking about CL16, 18-18-38 with a DIMM of 1.35. You can go higher of course also in terms of voltage, and lower down a little bit your timings, but first of all I want to say that this RAM is not the best around for overclocking. You can maybe get around 3300 or 3400 max by playing a little bit in the BIOS settings with timings and voltage. But if you are an overclocker, you should go for Samsung BDI based sticks. So one model that Gskill does, for example, is the F4-3200C16D, so 14 instead of the 16. And I have to say that Gskill, in their website, you can find also more fancy looking sticks called Royale, which let's say it's a bit too much for my style, so I went for this model instead. Moreover, since I'll be adding these 2 sticks here to the ones I already have in my computer there. Obviously in the Gskill website you will also find models fully compatible with AMD Ryzen. My system is Intel based, so I'm reviewing these ones, just doing an unboxing for now. And yeah, in case of AMD Ryzen, I know they produce, I think these, the name is Trident Z Neo. So anyway, let's start with the unboxing, and if you are interested into a deeper explanation on the installation of these RAMs and related benchmarks, I suggest you to look at this video here in the upper right corner. So you'll probably find that very interesting. So let's start this quick unboxing. Okay, not manual, nothing, just 2 sticks of RAM and a small sticker, Gskill sticker. We can read here that this RAM was manufactured on August 2019, while my other RAM, I think I purchased it in April 2018. Nevertheless, it should work just fine because the model number is the same. So as you can see, we have it's all metal, front and back, both metal. The only difference is the color. Here is a brushed metal, black. Here is brushed gray. And we also have the RGB diffuser here. So I chose this RAM mainly for the look. Apart from the performances, we have also other brands that produce 3200 MHz memory and above. But I prefer Gskill's in terms of RGB effects. So you can also see that in my videos. There are a lot of effects. And you can either use the RGB software that you can download on their website, or as I mentioned earlier, the ones on your motherboard. But in my case, I have the RGB Fusion that works pretty well. Unfortunately, you can either use this or that, so the Gskill software won't work if you have the RGB Fusion ongoing. So yeah, you have to take a decision. The difference mainly is that with the Gskill software you have additional effects like comet and so on, so it's better controlled the addressable RGB lighting. As I said, they're running there since a year or so and they are running just fine. So basically I wanted to be on the safe side and just take the exact same model. Okay, and that's all for this quick unboxing. As usual, please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and be sure to subscribe below here, clicking on my logo, or you can also find a link in the description, so that will help me for keeping on going with these videos. And thank you. See you in the related video if you like to see the RAMs mounted and benchmarks related to that. And see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.